Hello, in this video we're going to see how easy it is to create a tiny app in ChatGPT Canvas. I'll just go to ChatGPT and click on Canvas. I already have a very simple prompt I'm going to paste in here. So this is for a coffee counter app because I want to see how much coffee I'm drinking. Alright, so there is the prompt. It's very easy. Just click on this button here and ChatGPT starts working. You can see it's writing the code already. Okay, and it's done. I'll just look at preview, and this is where the app will appear once the packages are installed. Okay, it says that the app is ready. When I click on the button, it will add 1 to the total, and it saves my data in local storage, which means that it's saved on my computer, and it will be kept even if I close the tab. Let's see. Add a cup. 1 cup. Okay, let's add another one. And another one. What if I add loads? This is no longer coffee, this is a lifestyle. So let's say that I want a daily reset. Now it's editing. Okay, let's see the preview. There's an error. Okay, so just click on it and it's fixed the bug. I clicked on fix the bug and now it's going to try to fix it by itself. Okay, thinking. This is a very simple app, and the limitation of creating an app inside ChatGPT Canvas is that you can't actually deploy it, which means that you can't make it public. So you can use this for yourself, but if you want it to be available to other people publicly on the internet, then you'd have to deploy it with another tool like Netlify or Vercel. Okay, it looks like it's done something. Let's see if it works now. I can close this error messages here. Okay, add the cup. 1, 2, 3. And then, well, I wanted a reset button. Okay, kept the daily reset logic. If coffee date is today, then coffee count. Let me close it and then preview again. Yeah, it kept the 4. Okay, make it more obvious what day it is today. And show history so I can see how many cups of coffee I drank this every day this week. And I'm just thinking that we should make it, I don't know, less boring, some more visual, maybe animations. I don't know what, so maybe I'll ask it to suggest things. But it has to finish what it's doing for now. Oh, okay, so that's good. If you want the history to be a bar chart, heat map, coffee gamification system. Yeah, I like the bar chart. I want the history to be a bar chart. I could be, of course, saying these things instead of typing, but I'm old school and I like typing. I find that when I type, that's slower than when I'm talking, so I have more time to think about things. Okay. So there was an error. And of course, it didn't fix by itself, so I have to ask it to fix. I'm curious to see what this is like. So the bars are colored by the amount of coffee I drank. Red, seek help. Animations. Right, so it's rewriting the code. That's the console I just closed. So you can open it there. You can copy the code if you wanted to. There's the history. Is it finished? Yes. So in the history, you can see all the changes that we did. Where is it? I can't see it. And you can go back to the previous version, but let's see what this is like. Oh, okay. So 4, it says 4 is orange. All right, and today, great. Okay, stop. I'm gonna ask it, make the user interface, like what style shall we use? Into Gothic style and add animations. All right, so that's what it looks like now. Well, there's not much else we can do. So you can go back to other versions, you can download it. So that's how, if you want to publish it, deploy it with another app, then you just download it, and that's what you use to upload into the other tool that will let you publish. Oh, look at this. There's no animation though. Bats flying across the screen. Oh, when you hit 5 cups. Okay, let's add one more. I can't see the bat. I think we should just leave it as it is, but you just get the idea, and then you can build onto this. Shall we try a different style? I changed my mind and want pop art style design instead. So here you can add photos and files to this one. If you want to give it like ideas that you like a design, you can add it here and say that make it similar design as it's on the picture. Ooh, okay, this is popping my eyes out now. There's some animation. Wow. Add the cup. Just say that, can you reset the counter for today? So I can then try it again. Oh, there's a reset. Reset today. Okay, it's good for testing. Then you can go back to previous version. There's no reset button, and then another one. That's the Gothic style, and then previous version. So that was the original one. Let's just keep this one. And you can click on restore this version. And that's it. Thank you for watching. I hope you learned something. Bye.